Hey, welcome back to MedSnap 1 Minute. Today is the episode 2 of the video series Finance for MBBS students or doctors, where we are going to learn about the index funds. I have been learning investing since the last 3 to 4 years and have been investing since the last 3 years and have been able to generate a decent returns of 14 to 17%. I am someone who have completed my third professional exams and moving on to my fourth year of MBBS. If I can do it, you can do it too. I really hope you have completed the homework from the previous episode 1, that is to set up your own Demat account. If you haven't, you need not worry because you can buy an index fund even without a Demat account, and I would tell you exactly how to do it. I have been learning investing since my NEET UG days, like after my exam got over, and the first thing that I learned about was index funds, and one of my very first investments was also index funds. It has been one of those investments which I bought, I didn't notice, but it still keeps growing. It is a buy and forget type of investment and is really beneficial for MBBS students and doctors who are always busy. Let's talk about what exactly are index funds. An index fund is like a scoreboard of the top companies of the country that represents the Indian economy. That means if you invest in an index fund, you will indirectly invest in all of these different companies and get a tiny ownership of all of these companies, resulting in making you a owner of all of these companies. Sounds amazing, right? And it requires no active decision making, since this index is a replicate of an Indian economy, and since an Indian economy is a developing country, it will always grow. Thus, the index fund and your money will always keep growing. Also, the base expense ratio of these index funds are generally lower compared to other mutual funds because the expensive managers are not required to manage these funds, making it especially beneficial for busy MBBS students, and is also called as a lazy way to get rich. Now, I will tell you how to invest in an index fund through a Demat account. First of all, I have the Grow Demat account. I will show you exactly how to invest through the Grow Demat account. Then you can go to the mutual fund section and search for Nifty 50. All the various options of the index funds will be shown, and you can select any one. I'm selecting ICICI Prudential Nifty 50. You will get all the details, including the base expense ratio, the fund manager, the time since this fund has been running, and also the returns. You can compare it with other similar funds like HDFC and Navi and compare them and select the one with the least base expense ratio or the one with the longest and most reliable. Suppose you select Navi mutual funds, you can click on it and again get its various information. You can either start a SIP, that is the systematic investment plan, or one-time investment. It is better to do a SIP because it creates long-term discipline, and once you click on the SIP, you have to select the amount that you want to invest and also the date of the month that you want to select, where on every month your money will get deducted from a bank and get invested in that particular index fund. Once you start the SIP, you are all good to go, and your SIP will start every single month. It will continue. Now, if you don't have a Demat account, you need not worry. You can still invest in index funds by going to the official website. Like if you have selected Navi or ICICI Prudential, then go to their official website and you can start your SIP from their website portal as well. I really hope you complete the episode 2 homework, that is to set up your own SIP, or you can invest in a lump sum as well, but I really hope you do a SIP. Like my minimum amount to invest is rupees 100 per month. You can start with that, and if you have completed all of these steps, then congratulations, you have unlocked level 2 of investing. If you haven't watched the episode 1 of this video series on exactly how to open a Demat, you can click on the video. And if you want to learn about stock market details step by step, you can click on the link in the description about the Techno Funder Silver membership.